Hello everyone, myself Antari from Jorhat Medical College. First of all, happy Diwali to all. And today we are going to start with page number 19, chapter 2, biological classification. We are going to start kingdom plenty. Here a brief description is given about kingdom plenty, but here some pet questions are there you have to be very clear about. First of all, kingdom plenty contains all eukaryotic chlorophyll containing organisms. It is a generalized statement. You should not miss this one. And other one is bladderwort and Venus flytrap are the examples of insectivorous plants. This question have been asked many times, as well as cascata is a parasite. This question also has been asked many times. Now, their cell wall is mainly made up of cellulose. This sentence you will get in further pages also. And plenty includes algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnophorans, and angiophoran. They may ask you to find out the odd one, and you have to exclude that one, and this is a pet question you should not miss. Now this is a very important question and it has been asked many times, that is there diploid sporophytic and haploid gametophytic. You have to remember this sentence by heart, that is diploid sporophytic and haploid gametophytic. This question have been asked many times, that kingdom plenty has two distinct phases, diploid sporophytic and haploid gametophytic, as well as this phenomenon is called alternation of generation. This question also have been asked many times. Now the general statement for kingdom Animalia is heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms. This is general, say you should not miss this one, and multicellular, and their cell wall lacks cells lack cell wall. These are pet questions and you should not miss. Their mode of nutrition is holozoic, that is ingestion of food. This question have been asked once in previous PMT examination. You have to remember this one. Now higher from so elaborate sensory and neuromotor mechanism. This is also a probable question, you have to remember this. Now coming to the virus, phyroids, prions and lichens, they are not included in the Whitaker's 5 kingdom classification system. This is a question you should not miss, and they will ask you repeatedly this question and you should not miss this one. Viruses did not find a place in classification since they are not considered truly living. This question has been asked previously and you have to remember this. Now viruses are characterized by having inert crystalline structure outside the living cell. These characteristics you should not miss when it comes to viruses. Now coming to the next page, here two images are there, and believe me, these images have been asked multiple times and you have to remember this one along with the RNA structure, what kind of RNA you will get in class 12, and you have to remember this. In NEET this question has been asked in previous PMT examinations. This picture based MCQ has been asked. Now coming to this paragraph, Dmitry Ivanovsky recognized certain microbes casual organisms and mosaic disease causes mosaic disease of tobacco. You have to remember this sentence, Dmitry Ivanovsky. Another sentence, M.W. Beijering demonstrated that its extract of infected plant of tobacco could cause infection in healthy plants, namely new pathogens sphaeroids. Who named the new pathogens sphaeroids? This question have been asked in previous examinations. And the fluid is called Contagium vivum fluidum. This is a very very important question and you should not miss this one. And the meaning of the sentence, that is infectious living fluid. W.M. Stanley has demonstrated the viruses could be crystalline and consist largely of proteins. These four questions has been asked repeatedly in competitive examinations, various competitive examinations, and you should not miss this. And including your boards, this question have been asked. Now, no virus contains both RNA and DNA. They contains only either RNA or DNA. This is a pet question and you should not miss this one. This question have been asked previously. A virus nucleoprotein genetic material is infectious. Now coming to general viruses that infect plants, general sentence, this one, single stranded RNA viruses that infects plants and that infects animals, either single or double stranded RNA or double stranded DNA. This sentence you have to be very very clear. Now bacterial viruses or bacteriophages, that means viruses that infect bacteria, are usually double stranded DNA virus. You have to remember this one also. This bacteriophages you will get in detail in class 12 biology. Now the protein or the capsid is made of a small subunits called capsomeres. Capsid, capsomeres, these terms has been asked repeatedly and you have to remember this. Now, capsomeres arranged in helical, polyhedral, or geometric forms. Their arrangement may be asked. Now, some paid questions are there like mumps, smallpox, herpes, influenza, AIDS, etc. caused by virus. They may give you other options like bacteria, fungi, etc. You have to choose virus, and these questions should not be missed. In plant symptoms, mosaic formation, leaf flooding, curling, yellowing, plain clearing, dwarfing, and stunted growth. These are viral features. You will get this in anatomy of plants, and you should not miss these questions. Now, coming to the thyroids, they are first described by T.O. Dana. This question has been asked in your boards as well as other previous competitive examinations. Now, it was found to be a free RNA. Thyroids, there is a free RNA and lacked protein code which was found in viruses. This question may be asked in comparison to the viruses. Now, the RNA in period is low molecular weight. This you have to remember, and consisting abnormally folded coming to the prions, there is proteins which consist of abnormally folded protein. These characteristics of the genetic material you have to remember. Now, diseases of prions as bovine spongiform encephalopathy, etc. should be remembered by you, as well as the analogs of Verino-Jacob disease in humans. You have to remember. Now, coming to the lichens, their algal name of the algal component and name of the fungal component is asked frequently. That is, algal component is phycobiont and fungal component is mycobiont. You have to be very clear. And which component does what things, you have to remember. That is, algae prepare foods for the fungi, and fungi provide shelter and absorb mineral nutrients and water from its partner. You have to remember this sentence. Now, coming to the lichen, coming to the very important sentence, that is, lichens are a very good pollution indicator and they do not grow in polluted areas. This sentence have to be remembered by you, as it has been asked multiple times in competitive examination. Coming to the summary part, there has been no this part has been discussed earlier in this chapter, but some important pet questions can be: the heterotrophic eukaryotic multicellular organisms lacking cell were included in kingdom Animalia. You have to remember all the characters mentioned in this summary. The mode of nutrition of this organism is holozoic, as I have already told you. And about the viruses, spheroids, as well as the lichens are not included in 5 kingdom classification system has been mentioned here very clearly, and you should not get confused answering this question. Thank you.